Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in using the Paycom app. First, open the Paycom application on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure your device has a strong internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data, for seamless operation. Then, navigate to the Time Management section, which is typically labeled Time Clock or Time Management on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for recording your work hours. Once you are in the Time Management area, you will see a prominent clock in button. Simply tap this button to begin your workday. The app might ask for location confirmation, especially if your employer uses geofencing. Grant permission if necessary. Always take a moment to verify the displayed clock and time to ensure it accurately reflects when you started working. This helps maintain precise time records. When your shift concludes, return to the Time Management section and tap the Clock Out button. For breaks, the app provides specific options like Start Break and End Break. Utilize these features to accurately record your non-working periods, such as a 30-minute lunch break. It is crucial to confirm each action within the app to ensure your time entries are saved correctly and completely. To avoid common issues, always keep your Paycom app updated to the latest version. If you encounter any problems while clocking in or out, such as an error message or incorrect time, immediately reach out to your supervisor or HR department for assistance. Also, double-check that your mobile device's date and time settings are set to automatic, ensuring synchronization with network time for accurate records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.